What's up you guys, it's your girl Loverlee and I am back with another video. As you can see from the thumbnail and the title, in this video I'm going to be reviewing a balloon kit that I got from Fashion Nova. If you guys remember, a couple months ago I ordered this balloon kit off of Fashion Nova site. Yes, you heard that right, off of Fashion Nova clothing website. I ordered this balloon kit and I really wanted to review it, but I didn't really get the chance to. So now we're here. But if you aren't subscribed to the channel already, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and also in the comment section I want to know what you guys think about this balloon kit. Like, would you try it or it's a no-go? I want to know down in the comment section below. But without further ado, let's just get straight into it. So on the box of the balloon kit there is a design that I want to really replicate, so I'm going to go ahead and unbox it. But here you have a balloon tape that comes inside the kit. You have some fishing line, a lot of fishing line, and it's very thick too, so that's good. You also get some glue dots in the kit, and of course your balloon. I'm not sure exactly the amount of balloons that come here, but it looks like it's like a variety of sizes, and it's about 4 colors. Yeah, 4 to 5 different colors to give it like a boho blush theme look. So the balloon tape and fishing line are just probably the 2 things that I will be using from the kit. Here I have my electric pump that I'm going to be using to inflate the balloon. So let's just get started. They don't really tell you the brand balloons that they're using, but I do know for sure that the kit is from a company called Ginger Ray, and oh, it says 200 balloons. Okay, so the kit has 200 balloons. I do not know exactly the quality of the balloons because they didn't really give you the brand name, so I don't know if I'm using Qualitex or Tuftex or what brand, but we will see. We will judge the quality based off how they react when I inflate them and how they react when I start putting them together. It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Looking like a light bulb.
Okay, you guys, so these are all the balloons inflated except for the 5-inch balloons. I have some 36 inches and I think those are some like 18 or 16 inches, and they also included some 7-inch balloons, which gives you this little size, and barely any 11 or 12-inch balloons. But this is all I got from the pack, and then I'm going to go ahead and inflate some 5-inch balloons to use as fillers. But these are all the filler balloons that they included in the kit. I don't think it's enough balloons, but based off how their design looks on the box, I guess it makes sense. But if you're a balloon artist and you're trying to create a garland like you normally do from this kit, then we're gonna be in some trouble. But that is what I'm gonna try to do. I'm gonna try to create a garland like I usually do, using all of the balloons from this kit and no extra balloons from my own. Alright guys, so we're down 2 balloons already. It's giving very much a pack of Qualitex balloons right now. because we're down 2 balloons. So yeah. Alright guys, let's see how much garland we can get out of all of these balloons. And as I said earlier, I'm going to be adding the garland to this TP tent right here. And I'm hoping for at least 8 feet of garland, or at least 6. I will handle 6. But on the picture, it looks like it's about 8 to 10 feet of garland. But let's see. And when I'm making my balloon garlands, I don't use any 260s or any fishing line. I just tie the clusters together using, let's see if I can demonstrate. It's not a tutorial, it's just a review. But when I'm making my balloon garlands, I usually just tie the necks together, like tie each cluster together using the neck of the balloon.
It looks like the 3 balloons.
Oh, we got a missing balloon right here. Like, it's deflated. So that's what, 4, 5 balloons we lost. So let me, and another one is deflating. So let me try to remove this one and replace it before I continue. Alright guys, so I just replaced that deflated balloon. So let's continue. We got about 3 feet right here. I think I have about 8 feet in garland right now. So because of that, and I want to use all of the balloons, I'm going to change the design of the setup just a little bit. Okay, so let me add this, like let me install it, and then I'm going to continue after that. Okay, you guys, so as you can see, I changed the design of the setup completely. Like, I started it on the wall, and then I'm gonna like bring it down, let it cascade at the bottom. I think I have enough balloons to do that. If I didn't do that, then it would be way too many balloons for this small TP tent. So I'm just making it work. So now I'm going to be using the rest of the balloons that I have left over to, like, you know, make some parts fluffier. And because I want to use all of the balloons, I'm going to use some as fill-ins, and then I go in and finish it off with my 5-inch balloons. But for now, it's not looking bad. I haven't heard any more balloons deflate yet, but for now it's doing really good, and I'm just going to finish it off with the rest of the balloons. Alright you guys, so this is how the garland looks before I go in and add the 5-inch fillers. It looks like a lot, and this is not even all of the balloons. I have some balloons left over right here because I tried adding some more and it looked too crowded, so I removed them. And now I think it looks way better. I wish the balloon garland had more depth, as in I wish I had more sizes to work with, because I like working with a mixture of 16 and 11 inches, but this didn't have a lot of range, so I had to work with what I had. So now I'm gonna go in and add in all of the 5-inch fillers to finish it off. But I think it looks cool. If the tent was bigger, then I would have way more room to add the rest of the balloons, but this is a tiny tent, so I don't have that much room to add stuff. But I'm gonna go in and finish it off with the fillers. So instead of using rubber bands or 260, I'm gonna use the glue dots that they sent to add the fillers onto the garland. Alright, you guys, here's how the Fashion Nova balloon kit turned out. Let me know what you think about it down in the comment section below. I think this is perfect for a photo op. I am going to put the garland outside probably tomorrow or something to see how it reacts to the sun and if it stays up. So far, it's been up for about 5 hours and it's still standing strong. But let me know what you guys think about the look in the comment section below. Overall, I think it's an okay kit. I wouldn't want to use this for a event because the balloon quality is not it's not up there. It's like it feels the balloon quality is like really low. Sometimes when I pull the neck too much, it will just rip right off, and that caused me to lose some balloons. Some of the balloons pop like real easily, and I also didn't use all of the balloons out of the kit, so I have some left over, hence why you see them in the tent. But overall, I think it's okay if someone is trying to save some money and is up to put a garland together. I think it's a great kit. But I really want to know what you think about it down in the comment section below. So make sure that you leave me a comment. Give this video a like. And if you aren't subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the fam. But I will definitely catch you guys in my next video. Bye.